Guys, my name is Justin Eric Esisleta. In this video, I will teach you how to shell sort in Java. So first guys, I will teach you how the shell sort algorithm works. So in this part, as you can see, the elements are 7, 24, 56, 3, and 4. And their index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we count them, it will be equals to 5. So 5 divided by 2 will be equals to 2.5 or 2. So we define the gap. So our gap is 2. Then this will be the iteration part will start. So our first iteration will be 2 will be start on 2. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So 0 and 2 will change places, but because of the 7 is lower than 56, there will be no changes. So we will repeat it again. So 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So 3 and 2 will exchange places. So this will be the 7, 24, 3, 56, 4. So repeat it again. I will 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will reduce the gap. So 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. So this will be 1 minus 1 equals to 0. But because of because the 0 index value is lower than 1, there will be no changes. And then 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So the index 1 and 2 will change its elements. So this will be 7, 3, 24, and 56 and 4. And repeat it again. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then there will be 3 and 7. Then 2 minus 3 equals to 1. So 56 and 24 will not change because of index 2's element is lower than 3. And then 24. Then 4 minus 3 will be 1. And then so they will swap places. Then repeat it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will just we will start in here. So 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So 3, 7, then this will be 4, 24, 26, and repeat it again. So we will start it. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So 3, 4, 7, 24, 56. So here you have it, guys. This is how the shell sort algorithm works. So let's go to how we implement it in our Java code. Hi guys, this is a Java tutorial about shell sort algorithm. So first, let's go in our int arr. So in this area, this is where our integer array is, and this is the Java method will be used. And in this area, the int n equals arr.length semicolon is where our initialize, initialization of our variables for our for loop. And in this area, for our outer loop, this controls the gap sequence. It starts with a gap equal to half of the array length, and in each iteration it divides the gap by 2. The loop continues as long as the gap is greater than 0. For our inner loop, or the insertion sort within the gap, the inner loop iterates over the array starting from the current gap index. So power. So in this area, this is where our temporary variable will be. And in this whole area, this will be the insertion sort within the gap. Inside the inner loop, there is an insertion sort like process within the current gap. The temp is a temporary variable to store the value at the current position. The loop compares elements separated by the current gap and swaps them if the necessary to achieve a partial sorted array. The loop continues until the appropriate position for the current element is found within the gap. So in this area, guys, this will be the print array method is. This is a simple utility method to print the element of an array. And in this area, this will be the main method will be. The main method this the main method is this creates the array arr with values of 7, 24, 56, 3, and 4. It then prints the original array, calls the shell sort method to sort the array, and finally prints the sorted array. And this process will repeat until the appropriate position and the gap, and it will only stop if the gap turns to 0. So guys, after that we will run it, and there you have it. So you can see we can see the array before sorting, the 7, 24, 56, and 3, and the after sorting into 3, 4, 7, 24, and 56. And there you have it, guys. This is the shell sort algorithm works. And thank you for watching, and subscribe.